So, I'm so excited because I have a new kaha. This one is not so expensive, but the purpose of this kaha is just really for breakfast. Para dili kay ko kanang akong kaha gamiton every time mag-breakfast. Magluto kong breakfast. And we also got one para sa sabaw, pang whatever dish ni siya. I got this at SM. So, pwede na nato siya luto ang sabaw and everything. Na siya cover. We also got sapsang and then the luwag. Already have a luwag. Palit na kong bago. Bakit ba? Gusto kong bumili. But thanks to my sugar daddy though. So let's start. So first, we'll be using the small one. I will be cooking fish. Mag-fried fish ta. Kinakon fish duha ka buo. Need na to na ko siyang lutoon para dili to siya mulupad. Basta magkapako to siya. So, let's start. Yeah, I'm so excited because we'll be using this one today. Oh, the box. It's a new one. While I'm cooking the fish, I'll also be frying the pork because we'll be cooking pinakvert. Nagkabagutan ka ng oil kay bago man ang pork. Fat sa pork, mahimong oil aning atong pinakvert. Ato na guys, itong kaka guys. Ano kaya po? Tiguang na dito na sa atong kalipay ka ng mga ani na lang. Leka. Sabok, yung hindi ko gasan. What the?
Gumaganda ang paligid kung bawat